This podcast is for mental health awareness only and not a substitute for therapy. If you are struggling, please reach out to a licensed professional.
Hi everyone, this is Rucha Kare and welcome back to another episode of Mindcheck Mondays. In today's episode, we are going to talk about fear of missing out, commonly known as FOMO. Now, I will not be talking about what is fear of missing out because it is a feeling that many of us might have gone through. However, in order to understand it, we also need to understand another concept known as mimetic desire. This term was coined by a French philosopher, René Girard. Why is it important for us to understand what is mimetic desire? It is because it causes a lot of identity confusion. Is it something that you really want, or is it something that you want because somebody else has gotten it? It can also cause a lot of burnout because of the constant comparison. Similarly, it can hamper your self-esteem, and also it can build very inconsiderate, inauthentic relationships based on the following social status and so on. Now, how do we get out of this loop? How do we break it? First, understanding your values. Is it really something that you want, or do you want to be seen wanting it? Ask that question to yourself. Secondly, detox from the social media. Oftentimes, when we scroll, we get into that habit of comparing ourselves on people that we see on social media, and most often than others, it is always fake. People do not wish to show the authentic self, although they may claim that it is authentic. So understanding that is also very important. And thirdly, seeking that intrinsic motivation is very important. Not to get a praise from someone else, but rather just to get a self-satisfaction of doing whatever that you would want to do. Which is why knowing what you would want to do is also very important. Thank you all for watching today's episode. If you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. If you have any question or feedback, you can always put it in the comment section below. And if you do not wish to reveal your identity, you can always put your questions in the Google form link that we have put in the description. And if you need any kind of personal consultation, you can mention your email ID in the form below, and we will get back to you regarding it. So till then, take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.